Hello everybody, this is Nas Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, we're going to be talking about high interest savings account and which ones give you the highest interest. So let's get started. But before we do, make sure you smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. If you're trying to save some money for investment property, a car, a house, whatever, or you simply want to earn money on top of your money, these high interest savings account can help you do just that. And the best part is there's no risk. You're not going to be gambling your money in the stock market or in some business venture. This is simply your money earning you interest just by keeping it in one of these high interest savings accounts. A lot of banks all over America, they pretty much keep your money, use your money, and do not give you absolutely anything in return. They have interest rates such as 0.001, which is absolutely nothing. But with these 9 bank accounts that I'm about to show you, you're going to be earning interest rates of 2% and higher. So let's get started. This is going to be a simple list, guys. This is not all the banks in America. This is just the ones that I have found that have really good interest rates. And we're going to go in order from the lowest interest rates until the highest. Even the lowest one beats the American average for savings accounts by 100-fold. So even if you sign up for the lowest bank account on this list, you're going to be making 100 times more interest than your regular bank account. So stay tuned and let's get this list started. Alright, the first bank that we're going to be talking about is the American Express National Bank. This bank offers 2.1% interest on their high interest savings accounts. So it's not bad at all. They also require to have at least a $1 deposit when opening up the bank account, and then there's no other limits whatsoever. There's no minimum balance required to maintain on this account, so you can have $1 there or $100,000 there, and your account will still be in good standing. This account is also insured by the FDIC, so your money is safe and secure. The bank also has an A rating, which means they're in good standing, so this will be a very, very safe investment. Alright, bank number 2 is Barclays. Barclays also offers the same interest rate at 2.1%. Unlike the American Express that requires a $1 deposit, Barclays does not require a deposit at all when opening your account. They are also insured by the FDIC and they also have an A rating. This account by Barclays is an online account. Alright, bank number 3 is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. This account offers 2.15 interest on their savings account. Also insured by the FDIC and has an A+ rating. This is probably one of the highest ratings of any bank. There's no minimum deposit, but there is a maximum deposit of $1 million. So if you have $1 million, you can still deposit. But anything over, you probably have to open up another account. The fourth bank is Citizen Access Bank. This bank offers 2.2 on their high interest savings account. Also insured by the FDIC, and it has an A+ rating. But with this bank account, you are required to deposit $5,000 when opening up the account. And there's no maximum deposit. This account is probably for people that have a little bit more money saved up and want to open up an account and deposit $5,000. Citizen Bank has been marketing a lot on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook and you're in the finance industry, you have probably seen their ads. Number 5 is CIBC. This bank also offers 2.2% interest on their savings account. They also have an A rating, and the minimum balance to open up an account is only 1 cent. But the maximum is $1 million. This bank is not very known, but they do offer a good interest rate on their savings accounts. Bank number 6, HSBC, they also offer 2.2% on their interest savings account. The bank does have a B+ rating, probably due to all the drama that's been going on. They're a very big bank, especially in the United States, Europe. So that's why I think they have a B+ rating. But on the positive side, they are FDIC insured. There's no minimum balance to open up the account, but there is a maximum of $2 million. So if you like to travel a lot, especially to Europe, you may want to check out this bank because they have a ton of branches everywhere. The next bank that we're going to be talking about is UFB Direct. This bank offers 2.25% on their premium high interest savings account, but to open an account with this bank, you are required to deposit $25,000. There's no maximum limit, but the $25,000 will probably prevent a lot of people from opening up an account with this bank. They do also have an A rating, and they are FDIC insured. And number 8 is CIT Bank. This bank offers 2.3% interest on their savings account, which is absolutely amazing. They do have an A rating, and also, like the previous bank, they do have a $25,000 minimum to open up a bank account with this bank. And there's no maximum balance to maintain on this account. And now finally, the highest interest savings account that I can find. For this one, guys, I'm going to need you to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. I know what you're thinking, guys. You're probably thinking it's Ally Bank. Unfortunately, Ally Bank didn't even make it to the list. Last week, they dropped their rate to under 2%, I think 1.9. I don't know why they dropped it. Everybody was expecting them to increase the rate. Unfortunately, they have gone below 2%. I think it's 1.91% right now. That changes constantly, guys. So, are you ready for the number 1 spot? It's Citibank, guys. They're offering right now 2.36% on their high interest savings account. Yeah, this is one of the highest interest savings accounts in America. And the best part is there's no minimum balance to open up the account. There's no balance to maintain. There's no maximum. The bank is insured by the FDIC, and it's one of the biggest banks in the country. So you know your money will be secure. The bank also has an A rating, which is excellent. So there you go, guys. 9 banks that offer high interest savings. Citi right now is the top dog in the game. They're number 1 when it comes to high interest savings accounts. Guys, if you want to save for investment property or anything, or you just have money sitting in your bank account earning you absolutely nothing, opening up one of these high interest savings accounts will give you an extra 2% on your money. Why have your money sit in a bank account earning you absolutely nothing while you can get 2% somewhere else? Absolutely free. There's no risk whatsoever, and you'll be earning extra money every single month. Everybody talks about saving money. Everybody talks about cutting expenses and not buying that coffee every single morning. But nobody wants to open up an account that takes 5 minutes and earn 2.2% or 2.36% like with the Citibank account. Everybody's like going the hard route instead of a simple, easy route that takes 5 minutes. If you can earn 2% here instead of 0% there, why not do it? Personally, I have a couple of high interest savings accounts. I have personalized each of these accounts for a goal that I have, and I'm taking advantage of the 2.36% that these banks offer. The way to build wealth is not taking one giant jump from point A to B. It's taking smaller steps to get you from point A to point B. A small step like this will put you in the right direction. There you go, guys. 9 bank accounts that offer high interest savings accounts that give you 2% or higher. And right now, Citi's the top dog with 2.36%. If you have any of these bank accounts, drop it in the comment box below. Or if you have another account that's earning even more than this, drop it in the comment box below. I want to know. I definitely want to know. Also, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.